Welcome to your deeply empowering self-confidence and inner strength activation. Find a comfortable, quiet space and sit up with absolute pride. Take a slow, deep breath in and forcefully exhale all hidden doubts. Today we are awakening the bold warrior inside your spirit. Let us begin. I stand fearlessly in my own authentic truth, and I project immense, undeniable power. My radiant inner confidence naturally shines brightly, beautifully touching every person I encounter. I am inherently worthy of profound, genuine respect, simply for being my authentic self. The strong, resilient warrior resting inside my spirit safely guides me through all challenges. I easily command attention in any crowded room, simply by holding my head high. My brilliant mind is incredibly sharp and capable of solving any complex daily problems. I firmly establish fiercely healthy, strict personal boundaries that effectively protect my precious peace. Every brave, bold step I courageously take forward permanently shatters my old hidden fears. I absolutely refuse to shrink my vibrant personality just to make other people comfortable. My unique, powerful voice completely deserves to echo loudly across the entire wide world. I am a magnificent force of pure nature, and my forward momentum cannot be stopped. The fierce fire burning deeply inside my soul heavily fuels my grandest life ambitions. I gracefully and effortlessly release my past mistakes, actively choosing to learn and grow. My unwavering, profound, and deeply rooted self-belief acts as my ultimate protective armor. I naturally draw highly respectful and loyal people into my beautiful, expanding social circle. I am fiercely, unconditionally, and deeply, genuinely proud of the magnificent person I became. The bright, shining light of my beautiful aura instantly repels any heavy, toxic energy. I smoothly and confidently handle intense daily pressure, turning it into a massive advantage. My strong, capable, and broad human shoulders easily carry the massive, heavy weight of success. I actively and continuously, boldly and unapologetically celebrate all of my beautiful, unique flaws. I am deeply secure and absolutely highly comfortable, taking up beautiful, abundant physical space. My quiet, steady, unshakable inner confidence speaks volumes. Without me ever needing to shout, I effortlessly and flawlessly, gracefully and easily overcome the harsh whispers of the inner critic. The massive, deep well of my internal strength is a completely infinite, abundant resource. I proudly and confidently, deeply and fiercely honor the sacred, beautiful promises made today. My absolute, supreme, and profound true self-assurance beautifully expands with every single breath. I am remarkably resilient and fiercely, powerfully independent, completely relying on my own capabilities. I smoothly and gracefully, entirely effortlessly shrug off any petty, meaningless external human criticism. My true, authentic, pure, powerful, and magnetic self is a beautiful, living masterpiece in progress. I deeply and absolutely, completely and entirely trust my highly accurate and sharp intuition. I am beautifully and completely and undeniably enough, exactly as I exist right now. Every single bold, daring, and brave choice made beautifully builds my solid, unshakable character. I comfortably and confidently, boldly and calmly ask for exactly what I truly want. My majestic, powerful, strong, bright internal personal energy completely transforms my physical daily reality. I gracefully, beautifully, gently, and warmly, joyfully embrace my incredible, infinite human potential today. I master my raw, strong, wild emotional state with absolute precision and profound grace. The generous universe completely and absolutely safely supports my boldest, most courageous grand leaps. I am a completely unstoppable, fierce, powerful being, destined for absolute, ultimate, grand greatness. My beautiful, bright, shining, unshakable, and solid core remains totally untouched by external drama. I confidently, beautifully, completely, and strongly, calmly look directly into the eyes of challenges. I am fiercely and entirely, completely, undeniably proud of my highly unique personal journey. My deep, profound, massive, pure, and strong courage beautifully and completely lights up the dark. I effortlessly and completely, entirely, safely, naturally project a highly captivating and warm charisma. I entirely, absolutely, perfectly, deeply, and strictly demand the absolute highest standard of respect. I step boldly, securely, highly, safely, bravely forward, completely conquering my beautiful, bright day. I naturally, gracefully, and completely, effortlessly, easily attract massive, highly positive, daily, uplifting attention. My deep, powerful, unshakable, entirely solid self-esteem is firmly rooted in my human soul. I am incredibly, highly capable and intensely driven to achieve all my wildest daily dreams. The beautiful, strong, fierce, roaring lion inside me is fully awake and entirely ready. I effortlessly, deeply, perfectly, smoothly, gracefully navigate today any difficult, complex, heavy social situations. I am absolutely, completely, perfectly, deeply, wholly immune to the harsh, negative opinions of others. My bright, wonderful, magnificent, beautiful, brilliant, shining presence instantly elevates the mood of everyone. I completely, entirely, deeply, strongly, absolutely, totally believe in my massive, grand, hidden potential. I joyfully, beautifully, happily, warmly, fully, proudly embrace the unknown with a brave, open heart. My highly strong, entirely capable human hands easily sculpt a highly magnificent reality. I easily, entirely, naturally, completely, safely, bravely break through all my previous invisible glass ceilings. I am highly, deeply, thoroughly, beautifully, absolutely worthy of experiencing profound, unconditional, true respect. The raw, immense, intense, bright, powerful cosmic energy of my spirit completely breaks heavy barriers. I confidently, bravely, boldly, entirely, safely, joyfully showcase my unique, highly brilliant creative talents. I completely, deeply, totally, entirely, absolutely, securely forgive anyone who ever doubted my abilities. My powerful, fierce, bright, shining, beautiful inner light acts perfectly as my ultimate daily compass. I entirely, completely, entirely, beautifully, happily, warmly radiate a deeply, deeply magnetic, unapologetic personal charm. I completely, beautifully, gracefully, peacefully, deeply rest today. entirely secure in my own abundant worth, the strong, highly unyielding, fiercely bold, brave warrior within me completely easily handles modern adversity. I easily, naturally, beautifully, perfectly, effortlessly, deeply inspire highly ambitious people to reach much higher. I completely, intensely, deeply, entirely, purely, wildly love the amazing, unique person I am today. My strong, absolute, pure, completely firm, unshakable conviction safely guides me toward my grand destiny. I am a perfectly, completely, entirely, totally flawless manifestation of absolute, supreme, divine, unshakable confidence. I gracefully, completely, successfully, easily, totally, safely release the heavy burden of seeking outside approval. My daily, consistent, highly brave, bold, fierce actions perfectly build my legendary, beautiful, historical legacy. I entirely, deeply, thoroughly, completely, absolutely, purely trust the beautiful, brilliant unfolding of my life. I am perfectly, deeply, entirely, absolutely, completely safe, expressing my most authentic, wild, natural self. The massive, strong, deeply rooted, foundational inner strength of my character can weather anything. I confidently, beautifully, effortlessly, gracefully, entirely, smoothly hold my own in any important, difficult conversation. My vibrant, powerful, completely bright, energetic, pure frequency perfectly matches my highly grandest life desires. I perfectly, entirely, highly, gracefully, completely, warmly accept beautiful, genuine compliments with a bright smile. I am fiercely, completely, totally, deeply, highly independent, actively charting my own successful, bright course. My supreme, unshakable, highly deep, bold, bright confidence is an entirely beautiful, unstoppable force. I elegantly, beautifully, smoothly, entirely, highly, safely conquer my deepest, hidden, inner, complex psychological fears. I entirely, absolutely, perfectly, deeply, entirely, gracefully recognize my own massive, incredible, inherent internal value. The completely powerful, bold, courageous words I speak physically, heavily alter my beautiful daily reality. I effortlessly, gracefully, naturally, completely, entirely, confidently command absolute, deep, pure authority and immense reverence. I am entirely, perfectly, absolutely, completely, totally aligned with my highest, most powerful divine self. My inner, bright, beautiful, shining, eternal, fierce flame burns hotter than any temporary physical obstacle. I easily, entirely, deeply, completely, absolutely, successfully shatter the heavy chains of dark self-doubt. I am a fierce, bold, brave, highly courageous, completely, highly successful, modern, powerful world leader. My absolute, deeply, completely, pure, grounded, solid certainty brings massive, immense peace to my mind. I wildly, fiercely, beautifully, absolutely, deeply, proudly celebrate my own massive, incredible, unique personal strengths. I completely, deeply, entirely, safely, perfectly, powerfully empower myself to take massive, highly bold leaps. I stand completely, perfectly, absolutely, highly, totally victorious as the magnificent sovereign of my life. Take one final long, deep breath in and softly let it flow out. You have successfully awakened your supreme inner confidence today. Carry this highly magnetic and powerful energy wherever you go. Whenever you feel small, simply return to this empowering space. Open your eyes boldly and conquer your reality. Have a truly magnificent day.